Hi everybody, it's Mrs. Pitchford. I wanted to tell you about a quick, fun game that you could make for math learning with something you probably have in your kitchen. All you need are some beans. No, not those kinds of beans. No, not those kinds of beans either. Yes, these kind, the kind that aren't cooked yet. So you're going to need some beans, any color, some white paint and a paintbrush, or a dark colored Sharpie or permanent marker. Color with your marker or use the paint to color one side of each bean. Let your paint or your marker dry on the beans before you touch them so you don't get messy like me. Okay, now it's time to play. Find pages in your math book that look like this. For me, the whole is 7. If you use a different page, the whole might be different. Make sure to check. So because my whole is 7, I have 7 beans. Okay, so let's go ahead and shake them to see what the parts are going to be. Did you see? The parts were 1 and 6. So on my paper, I colored in the first box for 1 plus 6 equals 7. Let's do it again. Take your 7 beans and drop them carefully and look at the parts. Can you tell that this is going to be like a race? That's what makes it fun. You are going to keep shaking those beans and seeing what the parts are, and each time coloring in a place on the graph. Then you will get to see who wins the race by which number bond gets to the top first. So I hope you have fun playing Shake Those Beans. You can play by yourself or you can play with someone in your family. Make sure you keep your special beans that you made in a safe place. You might want to put them in a baggie, and you can keep them in maybe your backpack or with your things you use at school. All right, remember when you play Shake Those Beans, you're thinking about the 2 parts that make a whole. Have fun and see you later. Bye.